Hey, is this thing on? Haha.
Hey, Duolingo,
what do you
what
say?
do you
What
say?
do you wanna
What
learn
do you
today?
want to learn today?
I wanna know why things happen and how, and I wanna learn everything now. Oh yeah. How does this thing work? Why does that stuff changed? How does that do what it just did? What's up in the sky? You think I could fly? The world is spinning and I want to know why. I got a lot of questions and big ideas. I'm Duolingo, the science bird. Hi, I'm Duolingo. I'm just practicing because today after school, my dad and I are gonna play soccer, and he's gonna teach me some super cool new moves. Yup, we're gonna have a special dad day. It's a perfect day for soccer, nice and warm sunny outside.
Duolingo, breakfast time.
Oh boy, I can't wait for breakfast time. I love my mom.
Huh?
My mom is cool.
Huh?
But now it's time for having fun at school. Yeah.
Hi, Duolingo. Hello, Myolingo. Hello, did you all walk to school?
Yes, we do.
Wow, what a wonderful thing to do.
Oh, bye my lingo.
Bye bye.
Bye, Susie.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. There's Girlingo.
Watch what I can do. Haha, yeah, ready, set, go.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. Hey, there's Pooh.
Yeah, check out my moves. Ha ha ha, I'm a rock star. Yeah, ha ha, hot stuff.
I'm looking for my friends. I'm looking for you. Hey, there's Mina.
Haha, may I show you how I groove? Haha, ha, woohoo.
We're looking for our friends. We're looking for you.
Hey, there's Duolingo.
Did you hear the one about the bird who wanted to know everything about everything?
That's
you.
Haha, you got me.
We're looking for our friends. And look what we found. We found each
We
other.
found each
Friends.
other. Friends.
Okay, does anyone have anything they like to share with the class?
Oh yeah, I do.
Go ahead, Duolingo.
Well, I'm really excited because today is a special dad day. My dad is gonna teach me some new soccer after school.
Oh, it sounds like you're gonna have a really fun time with your dad today.
Yeah, the only problem is, before we go out to play, my mom and dad always make me put on sunblock.
You don't like putting on sunblock.
Well, it kinda takes a long time to put it on.
Yeah, it does. Susie, why can't we just start playing instead of putting on sunblock?
Well, let's see. Has anyone have ever spent time in the sun without using a sunblock?
Oh, I did once when my family went to the park and we forgot our sunblock.
Oh no, what happened, Mina?
Well, we played in the park all day, and by the end of the day, I started feeling all really hot, and then a little later, my face and neck were bright red and I didn't feel very good at all.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that, Mina.
Yeah.
Does anyone know what happened to Mina when she spent too much time in the sun?
Oh, I know, she got a sunburn.
Very good, Girlingo. You see, the sun does lots of wonderful things for us, but too much sunlight can give you a sunburn, and sunblock is great protection against getting a sunburn.
Protection? You mean it's protection for our skin?
Exactly. Hey, I know a great place to investigate how sunblock protects your skin.
Now, where is my Duolingo?
Right here, Grandma.
Now, okie dokie, let's roll. How was your day?
It was great. I learned that you needed sunblock to protect your skin from the sun.
Oh, that's right, Duolingo. You know, people have been trying to protect their skin from the sun for a long time.
Alright, I'm ready to go.
Oh, I am too. I just finishing putting on a fresh coat of sunblock, so now I will be protected from the sun the whole time we play. Wow, what a day. I learned that sunblock protects your skin so you won't get a sunburn when you play outside. You know what? I was out in the sun all day playing soccer with my dad and I feel great, thanks to sunblock. Woohoo! Haha, he shoots and he scores. Goal. Yay, you see that? Guys, I'm awesome. Yeah, I just wish it didn't take so long to put sunblock on. Haha, hey guys, don't forget, until I invert a super sunblock blaster, be sure to keep putting on sunblock the old-fashioned way. I know I will, because I am Duolingo the science bird. Remember, keep asking lots and lots of questions. See you later, scientists. So, did you guys use plenty of sunblock today? Yeah, good job, guys, I'm proud of you.